We are going to be trying a cooking class here in Chiang Mai. We're going to Grandma's house to try some cooking. Intro! First stop on the journey is the market to pick up all the delicious ingredients and whatnot. And it's going to be good. It's going to be good stuff. This is our chef showing us where to get the ingredients we'll be using. And just like a child, I just want to go to Grandma's house and eat. So we get to Grandma's house and pick our menu. Then we go and pick our fresh ingredients from the garden.
Another name is baby eggplant.
Yeah, well.
Welcome to the second menu is Pad Thai. We start with garlic chai.
So like any good meal, we start with the prep work, quickly working our way through the garlic chives cut at 4 centimeters. This is where you would shred your carrots and probably open the bag of bean sprouts. Then the chef comes and checks on your work.
Okay, perfect.
Yep, I'm pretty much nailing this. Next step, you chop your chicken. Mike likes his chicken spicy. And then you cut up your shallots and tofu, and I think you might put them together.
Shallot and tofu, you can put together. Shallot and tofu is... We put drinking water about 1.5 tablespoons, and we put palm sugar, half teaspoon. There's tamarind, 1 tablespoon or so. Next step, everyone, fish sauce, half teaspoon. And the next, soy sauce, half teaspoon.
Our chef took us over to his station to show us how to do the next 5 steps, which are cooking them and putting all these ingredients together. And here they are sped up. First step is tofu and shallots. Second step is shrimp or chicken. Step 3, add the egg. Step 3.5, impress Jeffrey with your egg cracking ability. Wow. Step 4, add rice noodles that have been soaking prior to prep work. Step 5, add sauce and vegetables. Step 6 of this 5-step process is put it on a plate, add crushed peanuts and chili peppers, and bam, there you have it. 5 easy steps to a successful Pad Thai. Now it's time to stuff my face.
My team, this one is e-recipe you can scan. Yeah. And this one is QR code for your photo from paparazzi. Okay, chop.